Welcome back to the channel. Why don't we address the needs of job seekers and those who need to advance in their careers? Does this look like something that you need? Here's a platform that has over 11.2 million users worldwide. It has created 12 million resumes, has over 65 million resumes reviewed, and has over 10 million jobs to explore. You can find your next role with the job search tool. The platform is career.io. Let's explore how it works. Career.io is a career development platform that offers tools, resources, and guidance to help job seekers build and advance in their careers. The typical attention areas for this platform are resume writing, cover letters, LinkedIn profile optimization, career advice, and job searching strategies. Here's a breakdown into its features and offerings. Key features: Resume Builder. Career.io offers a variety of templates and AI-powered tools to help users build professional resumes that stand out to recruiters and applicant tracking system, ATS. Cover letter writing. It helps users create personalized cover letters that fit the job description and showcase their skills and experience. LinkedIn profile optimization. It assists in how to leverage one's LinkedIn profile to increase visibility with corporate and independent recruiters and potential employers. Career coaching. It offers professional career counseling in one-on-one settings that aims to refine career goals and further define the job search strategy for optimal placement. Job search tools. Career.io provides job search engines, tips, and tracking tools to organize and streamline applications. Career advice and resources. It offers in-depth blogs, articles, and guides on networking, interview preparation, and career growth, among others. Target audience. Career.io targets job seekers at all levels of their careers, from entry-level to executive-level professionals. It is especially ideal for those who need polished, professional materials and strategic support in their job search. Benefits. It offers a user-friendly platform that guides you through step-by-step, ensures your documents are ATS-friendly to increase hiring chances. Tailored advice on industry trends and demand in the job market. Visit the website and get professional help to improve your job application documents or general career strategy. To get that dream job, Career.io is all you need to enhance your professional job applications. If you receive value with this content, kindly encourage us by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.